SBPlus 13.7, we are building on what we did in SBPlus 13.7. So we're using the same reaction, which is 2 hydrogen nitrates plus 1 sodium carbonate. They react together to give us water, carbon dioxide, and sodium nitrate. In this example, we're given 25 milliliters of hydrogen nitrate, so I like to put that right underneath my formula. 25 milliliters of hydrogen nitrate requires 35.7 milliliters of sodium nitrate at a concentration of 0.108 molarity, which is moles per liter, to completely react with all of the hydrogen nitrate. What is the concentration then of the hydrogen nitrate? So in 13.7 we were looking for the concentration of sodium carbonate. Now we're looking for the concentration of hydrogen nitrate. So a little bit different, but our ratio of hydrogen nitrate to sodium carbonate, our mole ratio, is still 2 moles of HNO3 to 1 mole of Na2CO3. So we're going to use this conversion factor in our solution. Another thing that we have to do is we need to change our milliliters over into liters for our solution. So we're going to divide our milliliters by 1,000, which is the same as moving our decimal places to the left by 3. So we'll have 0.0357 liters of sodium carbonate. And if I do the same thing over here, I'm going to have 0.025 liters of hydrogen nitrate. So a couple of conversions first. Then, just like we did in SBPlus 13.7, this time I'm going to start out with the sodium carbonate because that's what I am given both the molarity and liters for, our volume. So we are going from liters of sodium carbonate, or sorry, molarity of sodium carbonate, because we're looking for the molarity of hydrogen nitrate, so our concentration of that. So we have the concentration of sodium carbonate, which is given, and we're trying to find the concentration of hydrogen nitrate this time. So in the last skill builder, we started with the hydrogen nitrate because we had both the volume and the concentration, but this time we're going to start out with sodium carbonate because we have both the volume and the concentration of that. So we're going to start out with our liters of sodium carbonate. So I have 0.0357 liters of our sodium carbonate, and I'm going to multiply that by our concentration, which is 0.108 moles per liter of sodium carbonate. Okay, so that and that, because this is Na2CO3 as well, those cross off. So that's our given first. Next, I'm going to multiply, because this is really moles. The whole thing is the molarity, so 0.108 moles per liter of Na2CO3. Then, what I now need to use is my ratios, and I'm going to leave it as 2 to 1 because that's going to cancel out my sodium carbonates, and will leave me now with HNO3, which is what I'm trying to find, the concentration of HNO3. And then my last piece is to use this liters of HNO3. So I have my liters of HNO3, whoops, just looking for my number here, 0.025 liters of HNO3, and that will leave me with my molarity of HNO3 at the top. And then those will cancel out there. So again, I'm not going to put a big big M here. I'm going to put a little m, because you can see that moles over liters will equal to my concentration, which is my molarity of HNO3 in the end. So now to do the calculations. 0.0357 times 0.108 times 2 times 1 gives me 0.007712 on the top, and then 1 times 0.025 gives me 0.025 on the bottom, and then my grand total when I divide these two is 0.308 moles per liter, which is my molarity of hydrogen nitrate. And that's how you find your concentration of hydrogen nitrate for this question. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.